Okay, so in this case now, we've got factorize and then it says hence solve this. So you've got two things to do, right? The first thing you're going to do is factorize, put it into two brackets, right? And in this case then, you've got to multiply to give this here, which is minus 12. And add up to give this number in front of the x, which is, well, is 1, isn't it? There's nothing else, just 1. So two numbers are multiplied to give 12. Well, 1 and 12, 6 and 2, 3 and 4. Now, is there any way you can get 1 from these? Okay, and the one you'd probably be looking at is this last one. Okay, this is no good, this is no good, but this one you can get 1 from, can't you? If I make that a minus 3, okay, and this is a plus 4, it will add up to give 1. And when you multiply them, you do get minus 12. So then this is minus 3 plus 4. Okay, factorize. And by the way, you can do FOIL on this if you wanted to, right? Just to check if it comes out to this again. If you did FOIL, you'll get back to this if you wanted to check it. But then it says, hence solve the equation where this is equal to 0. Now, if it's equal to 0, you put the bracket equals to 0. The two, you know, what you've done there, the factorization equals to 0. And then, right, you've got to realize you've got two brackets multiplied together gives you 0. So that means one of those brackets has to be 0, if you think about it logically. Because when you've got two things times together, when you've got this bracket here, okay, this bracket here multiplied by this bracket, right, and they are multiplied because there's nothing between them, this bracket multiplied by this bracket equals 0. When you've got two things multiplied together, and the answer is 0, one of them has to be 0. Think about it logically, okay? Multiplying two numbers together and the answer is 0, one of them's got to be 0. So you say, okay, either the first bracket is equal to 0, or you say the second bracket is equal to 0. It's one or the other, okay? So if x minus 3 is 0, that first bracket, take the minus 3 over, so you get an answer for x. Or in this case then, take the minus 4 over, you get an answer as 4. And we're done.